Today, we have received confirmation of another case of coronavirus following tests carried out to a patient in one of our private facilities. This now brings the number of confirmed cases of coronavirus in the country to 4. The latest case was confirmed today at our National Influenza Center laboratory. The patient is reported to have traveled from London, United Kingdom, on the 8th of March 2020, arriving in the country on the 9th of March. Tracing of persons who may have come into contact with the patient is ongoing. You will also recall that when we got confirmation of the first case on March the 12th, a total of 27 persons who had come to contact with the patient were traced, quarantined, and tested. It is 2 of those who had tested positive. Results of the 25 plus and additional 23 other persons who have been tested have all turned negative. All the 23 from Bagathi Hospital, we have cleared them to self-quarantine at home. So far, our laboratories at Kameme and National Influenza Center have tested a total of 111 cases since this pandemic struck our country. For the 2 additional coronavirus cases, a total of 36 contacts have been traced to us by our surveillance team, and we are monitoring them. As you are aware, on the 15th of March, His Excellency the President had directed a number of measures, including travel, ban from any country with any case of coronavirus was restricted. Only Kenyan citizens and any foreigners with valid residence permits will be allowed to come into the country, provided that they proceed on a self-quarantine or to a government-designated quarantine facility. May I also add at this point that when the Public Health Act has been invoked, quarantine is not a voluntary measure. It is a mandatory measure which can lead to a big fine and a jail sentence. This measure at the airport is going to be instituted further by making those traveling into the country to swear a legal document that they will comply with what they are supposed to do.